Today I woke up and then I went on Instagram, and this is the first thing I see in the morning. This has to be a joke, right? There is no way this can be real. After researching about it, my smile drops as I realize that it is an actual creature instead of a social experiment, and it is called a Borzoi. Like, oh my god, if I was walking in the streets and I saw a Borzoi in front of me and we locked our eyes, I think that will be the last blink of my life. Anyways, then I log on to play Roblox with my friends, which are the 6 voices inside my head, and one of them tells me to search Borzoi in the experiences, and I find 3 games in the Borzoi category. You might not notice it in the first glance, but if you look closely, there are 3 games in the Borzoi category. What else has the number 3 associated with it? A triangle. What is a triangle associated with? The infamous Illuminati. Now what is Illuminati spelt backwards? That is right, it is Hitler. Now how many ovaries would Hitler have if he had 3 ovaries? That's right, 3. Now what is another word having 3 letters in it? That's right, gay. So in conclusion, all Borzois are gay Nazis. Wait, this game isn't that bad.